Today's content will be a bit different from my normal videos because today I will unbox my framework laptop that just came today and I will put all the components in it. So let's start. Okay. Here are the four extension cards I bought, two USB-A, one USB-C and one HDMI port. This is the laptop itself, and okay. This is the laptop itself, the screwdriver and spatula, some documentation, and that's all that is in this package. But I bought a DIY version, and what I didn't order from Framework because I could get it cheaper from at Black Friday was RAM and an SSD, also a power cord and a USB-C wall charger from Pine64, and this is the USB with the Windows installation. This is from my first laptop, and it actually includes a Windows key, and that probably should still work. And what I'm going to do in the rest of the video is putting the components in, and when I'm done with this. So let's unbox the laptop. Ooh, some fingerprints on here already. And I need the Torx bit. Sounds weird. I'm not sure what's with this, which makes the weird noise. It isn't as loose as this one. I hope I can still open the laptop. Yes, I can. Now we're removing the keyboard. Then I'm going to put in my 2 sticks of 16 GB RAM for a total of 32 GB. Gigabyte. Around. And now the SSD. now I'm going to put back the keyboard. And I put in the extension cards, USB-A, HDMI, USB-C, and another USB-A. So now I'm done with building the laptop itself, and that was pretty quick.